In this video, I will show you how to create an account on the GateIO cryptocurrency exchange. It is one of the best exchanges to buy altcoins. On this exchange, you can find and buy more than 1,000 altcoins for your future investments. Most of the new altcoins appear on this exchange, so after creating an account, you will be able to buy any altcoin to make money on it when the price rises. Also, there are many other ways to earn money on this exchange, which will be available after creating an account. I've been listed on this exchange since 2017, so I recommend you follow my link and sign up to get a 20% permanent discount on all fees. To register an account, you need to enter your email or phone number. You also need to come up with a strong password for your account. After that, select your country of residence. This code must be listed in the Referral ID section to receive a 20% discount. The code will be filled in automatically after clicking on the link in the description, but if it is not there, then you can enter it manually. After that, click on the Sign Up button to register. A code will be sent to your email or phone to confirm your registration. After that, you need to verify your account in order to use the GateIO exchange without restrictions. I recommend completing identity verification. This verification is enough for the average user. If you complete identity verification within 14 days, then you will receive a bonus $20 in your account. Verification is very simple. You need to fill in your name and surname. After that, select the type of document. You can take a photo to confirm your registration. Upload images to complete account verification. An account on the GateIO exchange has been successfully created. Now I will show you how to fund your account and how to buy cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrency on the GateIO exchange, you need to top up your USDT balance. Select Assets and Funds Management. Next, select Funds Overview. Open the Spot section. In the search, you need to enter USDT. This is the main exchange currency on the exchange. After that, click Deposit to deposit USDT. There are three main deposit methods on the GateIO exchange: P2P Trading, buy with credit card and buy with bank card. Now I will show you each method of replenishment. The first way is P2P Trading. Select P2P in the deposit line. Switch to the Buy button to buy USDT. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. Select the currency of your bank card and select the name of your bank. After that, you will see a list of sellers from whom you can buy USDT. You can choose the name of your bank or just a bank card, which means that the merchant accepts payment from any bank card. Also, don't forget to enter the minimum amount of your refill because some merchants have different payment limits. After selecting a seller, click Buy USDT. Next, click Buy Now. The order is placed. In the Pending section, click on the number to view the payment details. Click on the I See Pay button. There you will see the bank card number. You will have 20 minutes to top up this bank card with the amount you indicated at the beginning of the USDT purchase. Use your bank to transfer the money to the account that is specified in the order. After that, the seller will send you the amount of USDT on the GateIO exchange. You'll see a notification in the chat. The order is completed. You can check your USDT balance on the GateIO exchange. There you will see the amount you received after the P2P trading trade. This method is the best for depositing because it is commission-free and you can top up your balance with a minimum amount. The second method of replenishment is buy with credit card. Select debit or credit card in the deposit line. This is a very simple deposit method, but the minimum deposit amount is $10. Enter the amount of currency of your bank card that is equal to or greater than $10. In the Receive section, you will be able to select USDT or another cryptocurrency to make an exchange immediately. After that, select Get Connect and accept the payment terms. A table will open in which you need to enter your real payment data. After that, click Continue. Choose your payment method: Visa, Mastercard, or Google Pay. If you choose a Visa or Mastercard, then you need to add your bank card details before paying. You will also need to add billing addresses to pay for a bank card. The billing of the address must match the address that you specified for the bank card. Also, do not forget to disable the bank card limit for online payments, because the payment may be declined. After entering all the data, you will be able to pay the amount for the purchase of USDT. You will be able to see the balance in your wallet. The third method of replenishment is buy with bank card. Select Bank Transfer in the deposit line. The minimum deposit amount is $10. This method is used by bank transfer. In my case, it's wallet. First, You need to register there, and only after that you can make a purchase of USDT. This third method you can try if the first or second method is not available in your country. This third method is very similar to the second deposit method, so not many users use it. I recommend using the P2P trading method because it is very convenient to buy USDT with no fees. Now I will show you how to exchange USDT for any other cryptocurrency. Select the Trade and Spot sections. Here you can find any cryptocurrency you want to buy. There are no buy limits on this exchange, so you can buy altcoins by spending only $1. For example, I will buy Monero cryptocurrency. USDT is the main currency that can be used to buy other cryptocurrencies. You can buy any amount of cryptocurrency because there are no restrictions on the GateIO exchange. After the purchase, the order will be placed. The order will be executed within a few minutes. But if you want to make an exchange right away, then cancel the order and change the buy price using the table on the left. If you put the price above the market, then the exchange will be made immediately. The amount of purchased cryptocurrency can be viewed in the Funds Management and Spot section. In this way, you will be able to buy cryptocurrency on the GateIO exchange and as well as invest in new altcoins. I will show you other ways to make money on this exchange in the following videos, so subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.